Hi guys, I'm going to give you a little peek of some of the ingredients that go into my number 7 pain salve. We've got turmeric leaf. Not too many people have turmeric leaf. I use the leaf because the root actually stains the skin and makes the salve stain the skin. And the leaf is just as effective for inflammation. All of these ingredients are for inflammation that are in my pain salve. We've got some cannabis bud. Get some goldenrod in there. Beautiful star anise. We got cloves, bird's foot, pine needle tips, hot peppers, cayenne peppers, plantain leaf, rose hips, St. John's wort, blue weed. This is blue weed. This is for if you ever were poisoned. It takes the inflammation out of the poison. If you got a snake bite, ow. It's actually, I don't know if you can see that. It actually feels like it bites you itself, but it actually works on poison. What else is in here? There's some cloves down in there. The plantain leaf. Oh, we got some lavender. Oh, peppermint. A bunch of peppermint. All ground up. Spearmint. Some lemongrass. So now what I'll do is I'll take these ingredients, I'll put them into my infusion machine, and then I put an oil in. And what oil I use is 7 different oils that I've infused in the summer, sunlight all summer. So I'll take my 7 different oils. For instance, one would be turmeric, and another one would be peppermint, St. John's wort, dandelion roots. I won't tell you all of these because this is my secret recipe. It took me a lot of years to perfect this pain med. You put this on and it's immediate for relief. So then I put these ingredients into my infusion machine with all of those beautiful oils that I just talked about. And then I infuse it for an hour on a certain temperature. And then I take it and let it sit for the night in the infusion machine, just sitting still. And the next morning I infuse it again on a certain temperature, the perfect temperature, for another hour. And then I drain it. And then that is my base oil to work with, my pain oil. Then I would heat my beeswax first, like really, really hot. And I have other spices that go into it. So I would cook my spices into the beeswax. And then I add my oil, which would be all of this stuff, the oil. And then I add all my essential oils, which are peppermint, spearmint, eucalyptus, tea tree, all those good ones, and menthol. And bam, then you've got my number 7 pain salve. 7 oils, 7 spices, 7 roots, and 7 plants. Very effective. Let me know, like, testimonies, guys, how well the pain salve is working for you. Maybe on this post, because I love to hear that. I love it. Look at all this beautifulness. So great. All of this natural pain meds. It's amazing. There's something natural for everything, guys. Everything in here and all the oils that I make are all for inflammation. So it doesn't just work on pain, like for instance arthritis. It works great for that. Works for sciatica, works for toothache, jaw pain, works for headaches, chest congestion. Rub it on your chest. It actually works for hemorrhoids and shrinks them up. It does anything that has inflammation in your body. It takes the inflammation out. It's pretty wonderful. My number 7 pain salve. Let me know how you guys like it.